Yeah, let me continue. See, editing is actually it's an elaborate topic. It has to be dealt in depth. So don't imagine that this is the end. I have just given you introduction here. We will discuss that in detail in coming classes. So similarly, acoustic also. Just I have given you the definition. You must know what acoustic elements are. Acoustic means not simply music, uh, dialogue, sound effects. They contribute to the development or the growth of story. So this is just definition, and this is a separate topic. Acoustic or sound elements is a separate topic, and editing is also, and as I said, it's a detailed topic. So we are going to see that in coming classes. Don't worry. Okay, now I'm moving on to the next topic. So this is acoustic, dialogue, music, sound effects, and so on. So we have to that we'll see next class. Okay, I not don't want to confuse you now. That's why. And to understand this film studies, that is the topic. That is the title of the paper. So we call it film studies. So you must know to analyze movies. Now, after completing this um, paper or after studying this paper, you must be able to evaluate or analyze a movie critically. So to analyze a movie critically, first you must know what are the different types of movies that actually exist, or that we watch various movies, several movies these days, without knowing under which category those movies fall. So you must know the broad two categories of movies are realistic movies and formalistic movies. Isms. I believe, being literature students, will be familiar with these isms: formalism, feminism, and structuralism, new criticism, practical criticism, and what are the other isms? Essentialism. So many isms are realism, many isms. So similarly, realism and formalism are the true two broad categories of film studies or film theories. We call it realist theorists, the theorists who support realistic movies, or realist theorists, and formalist theorists or theorists who support the formalistic elements. So what is formalism literature? What is formalism? The poetry or any art of work which gives importance to the form or structure of the writing. That is formalism. I believe you are studying linguistics, and you have already studied practical criticism, so you'll know what formalism is, which gives any work, any art of literature, which gives importance to form or structure. That is formalism. Realism, I need not give you definition. So these are the two broad categories of movies. So one category of movie will fall under realism, and the second category of movie will fall under formalism. So what is this realism and realist theories theorist? The director's function here is to report and describe what he sees as accurately and honestly as possible, without manipulating or without distorting the truth. So he cannot make the scenes complex. He cannot convey meanings in a multiple ways. The director or filmmaker has to be simple in conveying his story. So here, his the artist or the filmmaker's function is to report and describe what he sees as accurately. And see, even when it comes to film, realist films address. We know realist films usually they address only social issues. It sometimes it purports to give a direct and truthful view of the real world through through the presentation it provided, through the characters and the environment. And the realist film, that will focus on ordinary life, and it gives the society a message. And most probably it will focus on the lives of socially deprived, and their living conditions will be projected. So it gives a truthful view of the real world. The example, we know, you have already studied this in journalism. First,